Talia, are you serious?
What?
Why don't you just go outside and run?
That's boring.
Bro, we have a treadmill. You don't gotta be doing all
That
that.
is boring too.
Oh no way! I never think of this? This low-key looks fun.
It is. It's actually tiring.
It looks like it. That was just level 1?
Yeah.
All right, let's see what you got. Level 2. Come on, give it your all. This is crazy. Are you the first person to do this?
I don't know. Oh, oh my goodness.
What do you think about this, Romeo?
I'm already tired. Oh my goodness.
This is actually fun. I think we just found a new workout. Are you okay? Are you okay? What happened? Lila, you're always hurting yourself.
Oh, I'm okay.
You see, that's what happens when you start going on try hard. We weren't having a competition. Just chill.
It's just natural. I don't know.